Eastern Cape Judge President Selby Mbenenge's first witness has taken to the stand in the tribunal probing sexual allegations made against him by Junior Court Secretary Andiswa Mengo. This comes after evidence leader wrapped up her case, paving the way for the Judge President to open his case in rebuttal of the evidence brought against him. Zinhle Nkai worked for the Judge President from 2020 until April this year and has so far testified about critical events that formed a part of Mengo's claims. Newzroom Afrika's Mnisi is live at the venue for us from the tribunal. A very good morning to you, Linda. Tell us about the new witness and what has come to the fore.
Well, Aldrin, you'll remember that yesterday the evidence leader closed off her case with the evidence of Dr. Lisa Vetten, who has extensive knowledge and expertise in sexual harassment. You'd recall that the day yesterday started with the cross-examination, where she was asked about the interpretations, that she's made in respect of the WhatsApp messages that she was testifying about and the overall conclusion that she reached. And in the afternoon, we saw that application from the counsel representing Andiswa Mengo, wanting an opportunity to also cross-examine the Judge President's witnesses. This will also include the Judge President himself, but obviously the judge highlighting that the Act does not make provision for him to for them rather to cross-examine this witness. The cross-examination will be done via the evidence leader. So that paved the way essentially for the first witness to be called, who since testified about 2 dates, that form part of Andiswa Mengo's, evidence or claims that she's made against the Judge President. So we're expecting that, she will continue this morning along those lines, but so far she's disputed the claims that Andiswa Mengo would have seen the Judge President around May of 2021 hugging the court manager in his office, and she says she was stationed at her desk for most parts of the day and wouldn't have seen that happen. She in fact labels it a lie and says that she was there for most parts of that particular day. She's also been asked about the 14th of November 2021, and that's where, of course, the proceedings wrapped up yesterday, Aldrin.
In fact, the word Dukshela, even outside courting, is suggested to mean pleading with somebody.
That may well be correct.
Yeah, so I'm saying when you are not aware of particular cultural notions, you can miss in language a discussion between two people of a particular culture if your interpretation comes, one, from a position of ignorance of their cultural exchange, their culture, right? Or you come from a position of what you would call a superior culture.
Well, Aldrin, in that bite, you would have heard Advocate Moses Kakania asking that Dr. Lisa Vetten about her interpretation of course, the WhatsApp messages, but also asking her about the cultural nuances of courting, saying that if one does not know those nuances, then their interpretation would, not be really appropriate. So, of course, this morning they'll be continuing with their own evidence and their own witness who has since taken the stand.